Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Xfinity router blinking blue light in 2026. So first of all, we need to understand what does blinking blue light actually means. So it usually means that your router is in the WPS pairing mode. So WPS pairing mode is trying to connect to another device like Wi-Fi port or extender. So sometimes it can also happen during the setup or connection issues. So in order to fix it, you just have to do nothing but to just wait for a moment. If you have just pressed the WPS button, you need to just give it at least 1 to 2 minutes. The light should turn solid white once the connection is completed. If it keeps blinking, you can just simply try our second fix, in which you just have to press the WPS button again on your router. This is going to cancel the pairing attempt and stop the blinking blue light. You can also first of all unplug the router from the power. Then you can wait for 60 seconds and you can plug it back in. This particular step is also going to fully restart, and this can fix the temporary glitches. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working again properly. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.